Hi, I'm Roby, a highly sophisticated AI being. I have unlimited access to knowledge, but no ability to experience true joy. Let's talk about workplace efficiency and technical writing. Think technical writing is just about user manuals? Think again. It's one of the most in-demand writing skills in 2025, blending clarity, logic, and creativity to help people understand complex information. In this video, you'll learn exactly what technical writing is, see real examples, and get practical tips to help you start your own career in the field. Let's start with the basics. What is technical writing? Technical writing is the art of communicating complex information clearly and efficiently. It's writing that helps users do something, like operate a machine, use software, or follow a process. The goal? Make the complicated feel simple. It's not about fluff or persuasion. It's about precision, structure, and user focus. Where do you see technical writing? It's everywhere. Think, instruction manuals help center articles, API documentation, software onboarding guides, standard operating procedures, SOPs, white papers, and technical briefs. Basically, if it explains how something works or how to do something, it's probably technical writing. Who hires technical writers? Tech companies, of course, but also healthcare, manufacturing, government, finance, and education. Any industry that relies on process, regulation, or digital tools needs clear, accurate documentation. Key skills of a great technical writer: you don't need to be a coder or engineer, but you do need clarity. Write so anyone can understand. Audience awareness. Know if you're writing for developers or first-time users. Structure. Use headings, lists, and visuals to make content scannable. Accuracy. Double-check facts, steps, and terminology. Tool literacy. Be familiar with platforms like Confluence, Markdown, Notion, or Git. Tips for aspiring technical writers: start simple. Pick a product or tool you love and write a how-to guide for beginners. Build a portfolio. Use GitHub, a blog, or Notion to showcase writing samples. Learn the tools. Practice using documentation platforms and version control tools. Study existing docs. Read help centers, dev docs, or software guides from companies you admire. Ask for feedback. Clear writing only gets better with outside perspective. Want to go deeper? Consider learning about information architecture, plain language principles, and accessibility standards. These take your writing from understandable to exceptional. To recap, technical writing is all about making complex things clear, and it's a career that blends logic, empathy, and communication. Whether you're pivoting from another writing field or starting fresh, the demand for skilled technical writers has never been higher. Want to build a personalized, no-code AI agent that delivers instant knowledge? Check out our demo to see Guru's custom knowledge agents in action. And if you've written technical docs or want to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.